Hey guys, it's Drea. Today I have a very different video for you. I have a Wish haul. I bought 13 different things on Wish and I have no idea what I bought because I just filmed a get ready with me with this look and I talked about it a little bit there. Back in January, before I kind of went on an extreme low buy, I haven't really bought anything for like a month and a half. Before that, I went a little crazy on Wish. I've never ever purchased anything on Wish before. I know it's been popular for a long time, but it was never on my radar. And I had a friend at work buy something and I was like, oh my God, where'd you get those earrings? And she told me, and so I went on Wish and I went a little crazy. But you all know, if you've bought from Wish, that they all come in separate packages. Some of them get here faster than others and some of them take forever. So I've had these now probably for at least 3 weeks. I was just waiting because I couldn't remember everything I bought and I was like just waiting to see if anything else trickled in. So now they're all here and I think I remember maybe 2 things. So this is going to be such a surprise. We're just going to open one package at a time and see what I bought. Let's start with one of these bigger packages just because I opened everything right before I did this and I could see immediately what they were. So let's get this out of the way. I bought shoes. There were so many different cute pairs of shoes on Wish, but I didn't know what the sizing would be like, didn't know how they would fit, and I definitely didn't know what the quality would be like. So I think I ended up buying 2 pairs. So these are like patent red, low-heeled, kind of vintage retro-looking heels. They are size 40, which is typically like a 9-10. Look how cute this low heel is though. I really loved that when I saw it. I can't remember the prices. I will look it up when I'm editing and I'll try to put them on the screen. The thing about Wish that's super annoying is they'll have a price and then when you go in and click a color or size, it'll be different for everything. It'll completely change the price that you saw. And not only that, but once you go in your cart, there's also a separate shipping charge for every item. So like a $9 pair of shoes might end up being $25 before you know it. So I can't remember what exactly I paid, but I'll put it up on the screen. Let me just see if these fit. I'm not gonna show you my feet because I'm waiting for pedicure season, you know, and I don't wanna get a pedicure before that. So let's just see if they fit. Okay, oh my God, no, they do not. I'm gonna fall out of my chair. Can you see my heel? I never thought I'd be doing a video like this. These are supposedly size 40. No, there's no way. Because I can fit into size 39 in a lot of true actual European brands. And no, these are definitely not. These don't even fit me. And I typically have size 9 feet. No, they're cute, but they are not the right size. So I'll either pass them on to a friend or resell them on Facebook Marketplace, which is something I've been doing a lot. Okay, let's grab a small package and see. Earrings? Oh, okay, well that's fun because look, they're supposed to be attached to that card, are they not? They're all falling out. So there's some actual earrings in here, like this one has a post. It's like a little diamondy weird shape thing. I don't know, it's a weird little shape. Everything else here are fake hoops. So these are the kind that you're supposed to be able to just attach to like here. Whoa, they're very wide. I wonder if I squeeze it. Nope, nope. Okay, oh yeah, I can tighten it. Because they're supposed to be, now I've tightened it too much. Okay, I don't know if it's just my nails are getting in the way, but I find it very difficult to put these on. But they're just those fake like hoops that you can attach to like the upper part of your ear. So these ones all have like little pearls and diamonds on them. So can you see that? And then there's just like little plain kind of ones. So there's actually 9 here total. 3 and 3 are the same. And then this one and the one post and then one other kind of plain looking one are different. So that's just kind of fun. Once I actually get it figured out how to actually wear them, I probably will wear them a lot because that, like, once it's in, it's actually fairly comfortable. Let's do another little small one. think most of these small ones are probably gonna be jewelry. Okay, here's another. Okay, these are all little gold fake earring type things again. Two of them are very, very boring, just like fake gold hoops. But this one is really cute. It's got a little leaf hanging off of it. So you can kind of see there, it's got a little leaf hanging off it. See, there you go. So it ends up looking like two hoops with a little dangly leaf thing. Yeah, you can really kind of squeeze it so it's not going to come off. Oh, I like that one. I like that one a lot. Most of these are all small packages, but this one has a few things in it. Okay, there's a choker. Look at the little girl there looking all cute. They all come in plastic, of course. This definitely looks cheaper in person than it did, whoa, on the website, but it's got a long jewel and then moon. So I would definitely wear this like with a deep V cut shirt. I think that's pretty cute. Like, honestly, I can't remember how much I paid for this. Sure, not very much, and I'm sure it obviously won't last very long either. It'll probably fall apart fairly quickly. Okay, these, no, these weren't the earrings she got. That's right. These are earrings I saw that I thought were so pretty. These actually are really pretty. Okay, these ones are a star and moon. You can see them there. They actually look really nice. They look like pretty good quality. I mean, maybe slightly questionable, but all the rhinestones are in there. All the rhinestones are in there. They are like not offset or anything. They all look like they're in the right spot. But aren't those so cute? No, I really, really like these. I can definitely see myself wearing those out. And what else is in here? Oh my gosh, yes. Okay. This was one package that I actually opened because I was excited about this one particular thing. And I am no longer excited about this one particular thing. It looks like a dead rat. Okay, so this is one of those like bun hair tie things. So this is actually a hair tie with hair attached to it, so that when you do a messy bun and you can just tie this to like the base of your bun and it looks like you have more hair than you do. This looks like a really fake cheap wig from like the 30s or something. No. That's a no for me, dog. This looked really cute on the website and it looks way more cheap in person. So this is a Celtic knot kind of hair, I don't know, hair piece. So your hair goes through here and then this little guy goes through it and kind of stabs through here and holds your hair in place. You know, you can kind of tell, but it's very loose. Also, there's a, whoa, that just fell right out. There's a random like thing hanging on there. And this, I really like this design, this little kind of Celtic knot design on it, but I just don't think this is going to hold anything in. First of all, there's barely enough room to fit any hair through here. And then this is just kind of like in really big holes and it doesn't fit through the smaller ones. Like you can't put it through any other holes in here and get it to stay. So it has to go through those two and it doesn't really fit in them. Another little one. I assume all the little ones are just going to be jewelry. I must have really been in the mood for these ear cuffs because here's another one. So this one has like all twisty turny things on it and then it's got another one of these little dangly bits and it's got rhinestones and it's silver. So that one's really pretty too. I have a feeling I'm definitely going to wear a lot of these ear cuffs. Like, it's because I've always liked the idea of having piercings up higher, but I've never really just gone through with it. I did have my cartilage pierced when I was a teenager. I don't remember what happened. I just kind of let it grow over. Okay, this next thing has a $1 cash coupon in it for Feel on Top, whatever that means. Oh, these are cute. More kind of moon and stars jewelry. So again, like, it doesn't look like it's the most amazing quality in the world, but it does look like it's okay. And these are beautiful. Like, they might, this is the kind of thing that might like start tarnishing sooner than you would like it to, but, or God forbid, maybe the post will snap off or something. Like, I don't trust that this quality is gonna last forever, but they look real pretty. Okay, these are the earrings that I bought because my friend had them. More moon and stars. The thing about when you buy stuff on Wish is then they start suggesting to you things that are very, very similar. Unfortunately, this post on this earring is completely mangled, and I think if I pull it back it might just snap off, but it's okay for now. But anyways, so you have the one that is the little planet, and then this one, which, like, this is the back, so the moon is actually hanging below your ear and the star up here is the stud. Aren't those so adorable? I really love all these moon and stars earrings. They're just right up my alley. All right, little medium guy. Oh, eyelashes. Okay, I did say last year when I did my original like low buy no buy thing that I wasn't gonna buy any eyelashes, but I kind of cheated with this just because I know I barely paid anything for these. So look how many pairs there are. They all look like they're the same. No, these ones look slightly different, but very similar. They just look maybe a little bit longer. 1, 2, 3. So there's 10 pairs of eyelashes here. Thing is, I have purchased eyelashes from China before, and for the overwhelmingly most part, they have all been awesome. They may be all the same because they both say 010 on them. Whatever. Anyway, they definitely look like eyelashes I would wear. Very long, wispy, dramatic. So I like. Now, whenever I bought eyelashes from China, they definitely work for 1 or 2 uses, but they don't really tend to last in the long run. A lot of the times they will kind of start falling apart faster than other eyelashes, but for the price. I've got 3 packages left. These are sandals. They're just like foam flip-flops, sandals. They already kind of look small. And they've got just sequins. And they also say size 40. So let's see. My heel is definitely hanging off the back. Can you see? I don't know. Can you see that? Yes. Maybe by like an inch. But I might be able to walk around in them. Like, I don't feel like it's falling off the shoe when I have my foot in there. So they might be okay. Anyways, yeah, I don't think after this I'll be buying any more shoes. This is so weird. It says on here, I smoke old stogies. I have found short but not too big around. I'm a girl of means. That's what it says, right there. Okie dokie. So there you have it. I might just give these to a friend that has smaller feet and not bother. And now I know not to bother with shoes from Wish because it's not going to work. 2 packages left. So here's another $1 off cash coupon from Feel on Top. And another pair of the identical earrings. I don't recall ordering them twice. I probably didn't. I don't see how I would have. So I'm gonna just assume they sent them to me accidentally twice. I kind of started obsessing with all the hair extensions that they had available. Even looked at the wigs. I don't think I'm gonna buy any wigs. But all these like clip-in hair extensions and stuff. So I bought this one, and they're all very expensive once you actually add in the shipping costs. It's not super cheap. I mean, I know hair extensions are like expensive in life, but yeah, this is just not super cheap. Okay, it comes in a like a little hairnet thing, which is nice because then you know that it's not like getting all tangled. So I'm gonna cut that off. So this is a clip-in ponytail hair extension, meaning that you put your own hair into a ponytail. This is clearly the wrong color for me. I don't know what I was thinking. I think maybe I was thinking I was going to dye my hair back closer to this color, which I am probably not. There are definitely a few loose strands, like it can pull right out. But this is not that bad. Like, it's actually the color, this actually feels kind of hard and fake at the bottom. Like, it feels like too much hairspray. But up here it feels soft and like it could be actual natural hair. But look at the actual like highlights in it. it looks pretty. Like, it doesn't look bad. If your hair was close to this color, I could see this actually working. And then this has an actual big clip, so fairly big, so big enough to do your hair in a ponytail or a small bun or something, and then just clip it right on, and then it'll be like your ponytail. So I don't know anybody with this color hair though. So I don't even know who I could give it to, but it's really cute. That's actually really not bad, seriously. So, okay, thumbs up to this. Maybe I will try ordering this again in a color closer to my own hair. This is long too. Like, see, that would come like way down my back. That's what she said. Okay, anyways, that would go way down my back if I actually had it on. So that's fairly long. And I'm pretty sure there's 2 lengths in this one, and I got the shorter of the 2. But this is actually, I think, one of the nicer things in this whole haul. But that's it for my Wish haul. Look at the difference between these 2 things. Both in color and quality. This is going in the garbage, like right now. Or maybe I'll donate it to like a thrift store. Although if you found that in a thrift store, wouldn't you be actually terrified? I would be. Okay, that's it for my first ever Wish haul. So bizarre. Definitely some things I'll be giving away to friends. And a few things that I really like. I really like all the little ear cuffs and the earrings. Those all worked out really well. Everything else is kind of like, eh. But thanks for hanging out with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.